Hey guys, my name is Courtney, but you probably know me better as the Flipping Nomad. Over the last 3 months, Keystone RV Company and myself have teamed up to build the most insane Montana we could ever come up with. It's a lot like a concept car in the sense that it's not ever meant for mass production. It's very impractical in a lot of ways, but we just wanted to go bold, go unique, blow everything out of the water, and do something completely different. And I think we've accomplished our goal. The rig is finished, it is behind me, it is beyond beautiful. Some insane features on it, both inside and outside. Some of the exterior features are a custom kegerator, a margarita machine, a pizza oven, and even a Traeger smoker. There was only one truck that was worthy of towing a rig of this magnitude, and that was the 2020 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali, which you can also see here. It matches the unit and it is just absolutely stunning. So let's go inside and take a look at all the insane features in there. Here it is, the one and only Ultimate Montana. We just want to do something so different and so unique, and I think we absolutely accomplished our goal in here. This is roughly based off of a 3791 RD. It is a 2020. This was kind of a custom built shell by Keystone specifically for this project. Normally in this floor plan, there is an island here in the middle that has a sink in it, but I wanted to open up the space and have a good gathering area for entertaining people. So we deleted the kitchen island with the sink and we pulled all of the plumbing back to be in this cabinet, completely rebuilt this cabinet. We went with a gold sink just to do something so unique and so bizarre and so different. What other RV, even house, do you know that has a gold sink in it? We extended this cabinet to go to the ceiling to give us some more storage. This is normally the pantry that ended about here. I extended it up to the ceiling and put an arch in it. Went with open shelves just for decorative storage. This is a standard option within Montana for a residential refrigerator. It only pulls about 2 to 3 amps, so it's very off-grid friendly. This is a custom built stove by Suburban. And there have been so many sponsors that helped us create this Ultimate Montana. Suburban was one of them. The stove was custom built. They did a custom color match. This is the only black and gold Suburban stove in existence. So as we kind of round out the kitchen here, we've got, this is the dining area. It's just meant for two, you know, like I said, very impractical in a lot of ways. You're not gonna have a family living in this, but that's what we were going for. So you might be wondering, that's the dining area. What is normally the dining area? It's normally in this slide, and I wanted to reimagine this space. I said, we can't just roll with a normal dining table, so what could we do? And I said, well, let's put in a bar, because why not? So this is an elevated liquor cabinet. These fill this little reservoir here, and then you put your glass underneath in it, and it fills your glass with a shot. So you push the button, and down goes the party. We also installed another mini fridge sponsored by Dometic down here in the bar to house anything that you could need for the elevated liquor cabinet. We also installed a dishwasher down here, you know, because again, why not? This is one of my first ideas for this build. Normally in this floor plan there is a love seat right here, and I said, let's open the space and do a 3-sided fireplace. So that's what we did, and this is actually ultrasonic water vapor. The only heat that it gives off is the light bulbs, and so this is actually water that I'm touching, and it kind of feels like fluffy air. It's like the trippiest thing you could ever see. And this is actually one of 3 ultrasonic water vapor fireplaces in here. The other 2 are upstairs in the bathroom and the bedroom. We went with a projector mounted under the fireplace that shoots to the screen against the back of the rig. And the projector screen does lift up, so you can have the full window exposed. It's about an 85-inch TV, and it has every hookup you could want on it. So anything you want to watch with any device, it will work on anything. All of this furniture up here was custom built by one of the sponsors, Lippert Components. They said anything that I want, which was such a fantastic opportunity. So I went with this funky kind of triangular shape green couch, because why not? At the back of the rig, we've got 2 freestanding chairs that have a really fun Tetris pattern on them with open arms to kind of create that line of sight that carries through the chair. And then in this the slide on the door side, again, a funky, like one arm, rounded, very unique, something you don't even see in a house, let alone an RV. Everybody who has gotten to see this RV in person is saying the bathroom is the star of the show, and I have to agree with them. I've been a full-timer for the last almost 6 years now, and one thing that I've really missed is having access to a bathtub. So I said that is priority number one for this build. So we put in a freestanding residential bathtub. We also went with a ceiling-mounted waterfall shower head, as well as another shower head mounted on the wall. There is actually a third shower head on the floor-mounted bathtub filling faucet. We've got number 2 of 3 water vapor fireplaces. It is dual-sided, so you can see it from the bathtub as well as the bedroom. We went with a backlit anti-fog electric mirror that's also dimmable, and this thing will send you running for your tweezers. Every Montana that I have ever worked with has always had the bed and the slide and the closet up front, and so I said for this one we have to reimagine it and do something different. So we actually flopped the 2 layouts. So we've got the bed in the corner here just to help maximize walk around space. We went with 2 nightstands inverted within the headboard, and then this cool feature that climbs up the wall and into the ceiling, a little bit of a drop ceiling there. And then underneath of the bed, we have 10 lithium-ion battle-born batteries. This rig is insanely capable of boondocking and off-grid living. With the soft start air conditioner sponsored by Coleman and the battery bank provided by Battleborn, this unit is able to run both air conditioners off of the battery bank, which is, it's a big deal. There's a lot of technical things that went along with that. So we've got the little bit of a dresser here with 3 drawers. We've got the hang-up space here in the middle, and then underneath you'll see is the extension of the dog bed, so that way my puppy has some extra room to kick her feet out. And like I said, the fireplace here is dual-sided. This one you can see it from the bathroom as well as the bedroom. And then we have the 3rd ultrasonic water vapor fireplace right here on the closet door that is also opens to the hidden chute closet. There are so many custom features in this unit that you'll never see anywhere else, not in another RV and certainly not in a house. And this pass-through door is a perfect example of that. If you look closely, you'll see my logo for the Flipping Nomad hiding within the door. You know, it would have been one thing for us to do a really cool interior design, but we were able to take the ultimate Montana to a level that nobody could have ever grasped going into this project because of all of the sponsors that came on board. As you can see behind me, the synergy that has been created behind this unit is indescribable, and we could not have created the ultimate Montana without them.